Do you often suffer from back pain? The culprit might be closer than you think. It's your posture. Posture, often overlooked, is key to our overall health. A hunched back, slouched shoulders, or a tilted head can lead to a cascade of health problems, from pain and injuries to affecting the functioning of vital muscles and organs. It's especially relevant for those of us spending long hours at desks, inadvertently slipping into poor postures. But don't worry, there are plenty of fun ways to improve your posture and keep your back healthy. One simple but effective tip is to always remember to stand up straight. Indeed, it's a classic piece of advice, but it's often forgotten in our busy lives. Think of it as a game. Imagine there's a wall right behind you. Your goal is to touch the wall with your back of the head, your shoulder blades, and your heels, all at the same time. It's a fun way to remind yourself to straighten up. Now let's talk about exercise. Specifically, exercises that target your core. We're talking about your abdomen, your back, and your buttocks. These muscles are the support system for your spine, and strengthening them can drastically improve your posture. So consider adding some core work to your regular workouts. In addition, taking a brisk 10-minute walk daily can do wonders for your posture. It's a little change, but it has a big impact. It not only corrects your back alignment, but also boosts your energy and flexibility. While we're on the topic of small changes, let's move on to stretches. Just 10 minutes a day can make a difference. Simple stretches like neck and shoulder rolls can alleviate tension and reinforce good posture. And if you're looking for something a bit more structured, both yoga and Pilates are fantastic for strengthening your back and improving your posture. Now, on to our digital habits. We all love our phones, but they don't always love us back. Text neck is a common issue where we lean our necks forward when using our devices, putting strain on our spines. Try holding your device at eye level to mitigate this. And ladies, we know you love your heels, but they can cause havoc on your posture. Try to limit their use and opt for comfortable, flat shoes when possible. These simple changes in our daily habits can make a significant difference in our posture and overall health. So, stand tall, move often, and remember your posture is a big part of your well-being. Don't let it slide. Another aspect that we often overlook when it comes to our posture is our sleeping position. The way we sleep can significantly impact our posture, and consequently, our overall health. For example, if you tend to sleep on your back, placing a pillow under your knees can help maintain the natural curvature of your spine. And if you're a side sleeper, a pillow tucked between your legs keeps your spine aligned. Ensuring you have a supportive mattress and pillow can also play a key role in maintaining good posture as you sleep. Now let's talk about weight. Maintaining a healthy weight is vital for good posture. Carrying around extra pounds can put undue stress on our spines, leading to poor posture and often back pain. Regular physical activity, balanced nutrition, and adequate sleep are all part of maintaining a healthy weight. Remember, it's not about being skinny, but about being healthy. Combining a proper sleeping position with a healthy weight can significantly improve your posture and help avoid back pain. They work hand in hand like two peas in a pod. So let's not underestimate the power of a good night's sleep and a balanced body weight. They not only contribute to our overall well-being, but also help us stand taller, literally and figuratively. A good night's sleep and a healthy weight are not only beneficial for our overall health, but also for our posture. These are some of the ways to improve your posture and avoid back pain. Just remember, stand tall as if you're being measured, incorporate core strengthening exercises and stretches into your routine, and take a brisk 10-minute walk daily. Be mindful of text neck, swap out those heels now and then for flats, and adopt the right sleep posture. And if you're up for a little fun, try a back corrector that makes you feel like a superhero. Maintaining a healthy weight is also crucial in this journey. All these changes may seem small, but they can have a big impact on your health and well-being. The best part is, it doesn't have to be boring. You can make it fun and enjoyable. Remember, health and fitness are not a goal, but a lifestyle. So, make sure to take care of your body and your posture. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more tips, news, and curiosities on this topic. Bye-bye.